The design of low-level lighting is truly amazing. Let me share this with you. When most people think of lighting, their first reaction is the main ceiling light, but in truly high-end homes, the lighting is often hidden in places you tend to overlook. Low-level lighting. Why do I emphasize low-level lighting? Because it sets the overall mood of a home and determines whether the space can truly feel cozy and sophisticated. When you come home from work, you're not greeted by harsh, glaring lights overhead. Instead, it's the subtle ambient light coming from the cabinets at your feet, the gentle glow beside the sofa that lifts the atmosphere, and the soft light along the hallway edges that warmly accompanies you home. This kind of warmth is something no ceiling light can provide.
When it comes to home renovation, many designers or homeowners use the wrong approach to lighting design. I've put together a lighting design toolkit, which is based on my 10 years of experience in the industry. From when I first started designing until now, I've worked on thousands of lighting projects, and I've compiled all of that experience into this toolkit. It includes a blacklist of lighting design pitfalls, illuminance calculation spreadsheets, detailed construction node diagrams, and more. I believe it will be extremely helpful to you.
I pay special attention to low-level lighting. Even if the client doesn't specifically request it, I will proactively plan for it, because lighting isn't about showing off skills. It's about considering people's comfort. Low-level lighting can reduce harsh glare. This allows your eyes to relax more in the space, and it can also create a sense of security at night. Sometimes a small skirting light can eliminate the risk of elderly people bumping into things. Carefully embedded light strips inside cabinets can give you a strong sense of ritual every time you open the cabinet doors. So how do you actually do this? First, you can install sensor-activated skirting lights in places like corridors, bedrooms, and bathrooms. Keep the color temperature around 2700 Kelvin to 3000 Kelvin, so the light is soft and not harsh on the eyes, making it easier to walk at night. Second, for cabinet lighting, such as wardrobes, wine cabinets, and sideboards, you can add light strips inside the cabinets. Make sure they are embedded and placed behind a light-blocking strip to avoid direct exposure to the eyes. It is recommended to install the light strips near the back panel. This way, the light will wash along the wall, creating a more sophisticated and upscale feel. Third, add supplementary lighting at the base of sofas and beds. You can pre-install light strips under the sofa or bed to create a floating effect, while also fostering a relaxing atmosphere. Fourth, for steps or stairs, you can conceal linear light strips with low brightness and low color temperature under each step, running along the tread. Control the parameters to about 4 to 6 watts per meter. This not only ensures safety, but also adds a sense of design and ambience. For setting the mood, place 1 or 2 ambient floor lamps in empty corners of the living room or bedroom. Use low brightness and low color temperature, keeping the power under 5 watts to create a warm and relaxing atmosphere. Sixth, when choosing light strips, it is recommended to select low voltage ones. Pick a high color rendering index for pure, accurate light. Avoid cheap high voltage strips, as they often look harsh. Plan these placements during renovation. Once done, your space instantly feels softer, more refined, and comfortable. After so many years of doing lighting design, I have always believed that it's the details that truly bring genuine warmth. Low-level lighting may seem inconspicuous, but it's actually the key to making a space feel like home. It's not about being flashy, but about genuinely improving your living experience. So please don't underestimate the presence of these lights. If you're willing to put in a little more thought, low-level lighting can blend seamlessly with the space. You'll find that home is no longer just a place to live, but a place where you can truly let go of your fatigue. So always remember, the warmth of a home doesn't come from the ceiling, but from that beam of light at your feet. Low-level lighting may seem inconspicuous, but it understands life best. In other words, if you get your low-level lighting right, your home is already halfway to perfection. I'm Ergi, someone who is passionate about the pursuit of perfect lighting.
My name is Lucas, from illuminating space to researching what kind of light is suitable for long-term living.